नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, बृहन्मुंबई महानगरपालिका व्हर्च्युअल ट्रेनिंग सेंटर मध्ये आपले खूप खूप स्वागत। कोविड-19च्या या सद्यस्थितीत आपल्या शाळा बंद असल्या तरी आपले ऑनलाईन शिक्षण चालूच आहे आणि गेले वर्षभर आपण हा ऑनलाईन अभ्यास करत आहोत। त्यासाठी आपली शिक्षणाची गती कमी होऊ नये म्हणून बृहन्मुंबई महानगरपालिका व्हर्च्युअल ट्रेनिंग सेंटरच्या माध्यमातून काही व्हिडिओंची निर्मिती करण्यात आलेली आहे। मी निलिमा कदम, आपली व्हर्च्युअल शिक्षिका। आजचा घटक आपण बघणार आहोत
इयत्ता 6वी स्टँडर्ड 6 गणित, मसावी लसावी, HCF LCM। मागील भागामध्ये आपण मसावी म्हणजे काय आणि हा मसावी कसा काढला जातो हे अभ्यासलेलं आहे। पटकन आपण एक उदाहरण घेऊ। Write all the factors of the given numbers and list their common factors and find out HCF 16 and 48. So to find out the HCF we have to find out factors of that numbers. Okay, now first number is 16. So factors of 16. What are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. या ठिकाणी मी तुम्हाला एक ट्रिक सांगितलेली, हाऊ टू चेक वेदर द फॅक्टर्स आर करेक्ट और रॉंग। नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, रिमेंबर these factors we will get, they are in pairs. For example, 16 1 जा 16, 8 2 जा 16 and 4 4 जा 16. So we will get pairs. Remember, जर एखादी संख्या राहिली तिला जोडी मिळत नसेल, then remember that is the wrong, or you have to find out the pair of that number. Okay, now next number is 48. So factors of 48. What are the factors of 48? See here, 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 16 24 and 48. Again you can check with the help of these pairs. See here, 48 1 जा 48, 22 2 जा 48, 16 3 जा 48, 12 4 जा 48 and जा 48. Okay, so आपल्याला बरोबर पेयर्स मिळाल्यात बघा। कुठलाही एक अंक, एक संख्या सुटलेली नाही, means the whatever factors we have found out, they are correct. Now next step, we have to find out the common factors. So 1 1, 2 2, 4 4, next 8 8 and 16 16. So these are the common factors. Okay, now common factors we will write down 1 2 4 8 and 16. Now out of these, what is HCF? Highest common factor. So which is the highest one? 16, and therefore HCF of 16 and 48 is 16. Okay, तर हे आपण बघितलेलं आहे। So what is HCF? मसावी म्हणजे काय? तर मसावी महत्तम साधारण विभाजक, HCF हायेस्ट कॉमन फॅक्टर. सो दिलेल्या संख्येचा मसावी काढणे म्हणजे संख्यांच्या विभाजकांची यादी करून त्यातील सर्वात मोठा विभाजक शोधणे. To find the HCF of given numbers, we make a list of the factors of the numbers and find the greatest of the common factors. So this is a listing method to find out HCF by listing method. तर यादी पद्धतीने मसावी काढण्यासाठी आपण काय करतो, पहिले दिलेल्या संख्यांचे विभाजक काढतो आणि त्यातले कॉमन घेऊन, सामायिक फॅक्टर्स घेऊन त्यातला जो महत्तम असेल, मोठ्यात मोठा असेल, तो त्या संख्यांचा मसावी असतो. आज आपण एलसीएम बघणार आहोत. व्हॉट इज एलसीएम? द स्मॉलेस्ट मल्टिपल that is common to two or more numbers. What is LCM? LCM म्हणजे काय बघा. The smallest multiple. So with the help of this definition you will understand that we have to find the multiples to find out LCM. म्हणजेच एलसीएम काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला दिलेल्या संख्यांचे काय काढावे लागणार आहेत, विभाज्य संख्या लिहाव्या लागणार आहेत. नाउ एलसीएम, लीस्ट और लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टिपल. द स्मॉलेस्ट मीन्स लीस्ट और लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टिपल. सो द स्मॉलेस्ट मल्टिपल that is common to two or more numbers. We can find out the LCM of 2 or 3 or more than 2 numbers. So what you have to do? We have to find out the multiples of the given number, then the common multiples, and in that common multiples we have to find out the smallest one. Now dear students, LCM. What is LCM? Here there is a sign of multiplication, right? So in LCM we have seen that we have to find out the multiples. So how to find multiple? Multiple means a number made by multiplying two whole numbers larger than 1. For example, multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. So larger than 1. So 2 ones are 2, next 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. See here, every time I am multiplying 2 by 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So multiplying. So multiple is a number which we will get by multiplying two whole numbers, right? So remember, in LCM we have to find out the multiples. Okay, now there are some steps. What is the step 1? List the multiples for each number. We have to find out the LCM of, suppose, two numbers, then list the multiples for each number. Two numbers are there, so you have to find out or list the multiples for both the numbers. Step 2, list the common multiples. In second step, what you have to do? List the common multiples by circling whichever is common, list them. And step 3, choose the smallest number. So very easy, only 3 steps are there. In HCF also we are doing the same, but there we are taking factors. Here we have to consider multiples. Okay, 3 steps: list the multiples, list the common multiples, and choose the smallest of that common multiples. Okay, let's go. So find out the LCM of following numbers 9 and 12. खालील संख्यांचा लसावी काढा. Now, first step, we have to list the multiples. So multiples of 9. Multiples of 9. Next, find out the LCM of the following numbers. खालील संख्यांचा लसावी काढा. 16 and 48. Okay. First step, we have to list the multiples of both the numbers. First, multiples of 16. So it's very easy. You have to write down the table of 16. So 16 1 जा 16, 16 2 जा 32, 16 3 जा 48, 16 4 जा 64, 16 5 जा 80. Okay. You can write down after 16 6 जा 96 and so on. Next, multiples of 48. 48 1 जा 48, 48 2 जा 96, 48 3 जा 144. Okay. Now, remember, here we have to find out the lowest. Therefore, we can here see here in this here 48 is there, here 48 is there. Now common, see here 48 and 48. Okay, this is the smallest one. So if you want, you can write down other multiples of 16 and other multiples of 48. But after all, we have to find out the lowest. So only 48 I have taken. Now the common multiples, here only 48 I have got it. Okay, 48 only, and therefore lowest common multiple, that is LCM of 16 and 48 is 48. Okay. So what is LCM? To find the LCM of the given numbers, we write down the multiples of each of the given numbers and find the lowest of their common multiples. So लसावी म्हणजेच लघुतम साधारण विभाजक, आणि हा लसावी काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागतं, तर त्या संख्यांनी विभाज्य असलेल्या सर्व संख्या लिहून त्यातील लहानात लहान सामायिक विभाज्य संख्या शोधणे म्हणजेच लसावी काढणे. ओके. नेक्स्ट, 28 and 12. List of the multiples. So multiples of 28, write down the table of 28. 28 1 जा 28, 28 2 जा 56, 28 3 जा 84, 28 4 जा 112. Multiples of 12. See here. 12 1 जा 12, 12 2 जा 24, 12 3 जा 36, 12 4 जा 48, 12 5 जा 60, 12 6 जा 72, 12 7 जा 84, 12 8 जा 96. Here I have written the multiples of 12 up to 9 and multiples of 28 up to 4 only, that is 112 only. Why? Because see here I got the number 84 and 84. Okay, while writing down these multiples, you notice that here we have got these numbers, and while writing down the multiples of 12, see whether the number 28 is getting, 56 is getting, 84 is getting, then you can stop writing down the multiples. Okay, so multiples of 12 you have written up to 9. Now the common multiples. Here which is the common one? 84, and therefore the LCM of 28 and 12 is 84. बघा लक्षात घ्या, तुम्ही 28 चे विभाज्य लिहिले, आपण 4 पर्यंतच लिहिले आहेत, आणि 12च्या विभाज्य संख्या लिहिताना आपण 12चा पाढा या ठिकाणी लक्ष द्यायचं. बघा वरच्या दिलेल्या संख्यांमध्ये जिथे आपल्याला 84 मिळाला, means this one is the common one, so we can stop here also. आपण या ठिकाणी थांबू शकतो लिहिणं, पण आपल्याला सामायिक दोघांमध्ये मिळणं आवश्यक आहे, आणि ते लक्षात घेऊन आपण पुढची स्टेप घ्यायची आहे. ओके. LCM of 15 and 20. Now multiples of 15. See here. Okay. Now multiples of 20. Now find out the common one. Which is common? 60. Right? Next 120. 120 is also common. So common multiples are 60 and 20, and of these which is the lowest one? Yes, of course 60, and therefore LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. Now find out the LCM of the following numbers. Now here 3 numbers are given, 2, 3 and 5. It is also very easy. Don't worry. जसा आपण 2 संख्यांचा LCM काढला, तसंच आपल्याला 3 संख्यांचा काढायचा आहे. We have to write down the multiples of all these 3 numbers. First we will write down the multiples of 2. It's very easy, right? See here. Now listen, dear students. Here I have written the multiples of 2. 2 tens are 20. After 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, why? Dear students, you know that in the table of 3, from 2 to 20, number 6 will be there, 18 will be there, which is common in the table of 2 and 3, right? But all these numbers which are in the table of 2 and 3, only not a single number is common, which is common in the table of 5, right? See, we will write down multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. Now here also you can see that, see here, 6 is common, then 12 is common, and 18 is common, right? But all these numbers, they are not coming in the table of 5, right? 6 is not there, 12 is not there, 18 is not there, 20 is there in the table of 5, 10 is there in the table of 5, but what about 3? They are not in the table of 3, and that's why I have to write the multiples of 2 up to these 30, 32, 34, right? Now multiples of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay. Now let's write down the common one. See here. Which one is common? In all these 3, 30 is the common number, right? Okay. And that's why I have to write down the multiples of 2 up to 30. Getting? So the common multiple of all these 3, the number which is appearing in all these 3 numbers is 30, and therefore LCM of 2, 3 and 5 is 30. Okay. तर अशा प्रकारे 3 संख्यांचा सुद्धा आपण लसावी काढू शकतो. एवढी एकच अट आहे की एक कॉमन सामायिक विभाज्य आपल्याला तिन्ही संख्यांमध्ये मिळाला पाहिजे. ओके, व्हेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट, आता आपण काही शाब्दिक उदाहरणं बघणार आहोत. वी विल सॉल्व सम वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम्स. ओके, वीणाजवळ काही मणी आहेत. तिला समान मणी असलेल्या माळा तयार करायच्या आहेत. तिने 16, 24 किंवा 40 मण्यांच्या माळा केल्या तर एकही मणी शिल्लक राहत नाही. तर तिच्याजवळ कमीत कमी किती मणी आहेत? You have to read the problem very carefully. काय विचारले बघा? समान मणी असलेल्या माळा तयार करायच्या आहेत. 16, 24 किंवा 40 मण्यांच्या माळा केल्या तर एकही मणी शिल्लक राहत नाही. तर तिच्याजवळ कमीत कमी, जसं मागच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण HCF मसावीमध्ये मी तुम्हाला काय सांगितलं, जास्तीत जास्त, तसं या ठिकाणी शब्द काय येतोय, कमीत कमी. So Veena has some beads. She wants to make necklaces with an equal number of beads in each. If she makes necklaces of 16, 24 or 40 beads, there is no bead left over. What is the least number of beads with her? Okay, so least means we have to find out the LCM. Okay, so to find out LCM, we have to find out the multiples. First step is listing the multiples. So the multiples of 16. 16 ones are 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, 96, 112, 128. Up to 240 I have written the multiples of 16. Okay. Now next, multiples of 24. 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, 144, 168, 192, 216, 240, 264. And multiples of 40. 40, 80, 120, 260, 200, 240, 280. ओके, आता 16च्या विभाज्य संख्या आपल्याला एवढ्या का लिहाव्या लागल्या हे तुमच्या लक्षात आलंच असेल, हो ना? कारण बघा 16 2400 लिहिला गेल्यानंतर आपल्याला दिसलं बघा 96 कॉमन आहे, but surely 96 will not come, is not a multiple of 40, right? Similarly, next one is, which number is it is there 192. 192 also not a multiple of 40, right? And that's why we have to write down the multiples up to here to, that is so many multiples we have to write down. Now the common multiples of these three, 240 and 280. 280 will be also there in the multiple of 16. Okay, 240. Common multiples of 16, 24 and 40 are 240. Out of these, which is the lowest? 240, and thus the least number of beads with Veena are 240. So LCM of 16, 24 and 40 we have to find out. To find out the least number of beads with Veena. So least number of beads with Veena will be equal to LCM of 16, 24 and 40, which will be equal to 240. Okay, in this way we can solve the word problem. Next, 13/45 व 22/75 या व्यवहारी अपूर्णांकांचे सममूल्य समच्छेद अपूर्णांक शोधा व त्यांची बेरीज करा. आता सममूल्य समच्छेद अपूर्णांक, सममूल्य म्हणजे त्यांची किंमत समान असली पाहिजे. अँड समछेद म्हणजे त्यांचे छेद समान असले पाहिजेत. बरोबर. आता छेद समान करायचा म्हणजेच लक्षात ठेवा आपल्याला लसावी काढावा लागतो. So given the fractions 13/45 and 22/75, write their equivalent fractions with same denominator and add the fractions. So dear students, remember equivalent fraction, you know it very well, same denominator. So to make denominator same, remember you have to find out the LCM. ह्याच्या पुढेही तुम्हाला बऱ्याच वेळेला डिनॉमिनेटर सेम करावे लागतील. यू हॅव टू मेक सेम डिनॉमिनेटर. किंवा जेव्हा तुम्ही बेरीज पुढे शिकणार आहात, अपूर्णांकांची बेरीज जेव्हा तुम्ही करणार आहात त्यावेळेला सुद्धा आपण काय करतो, अपूर्णांकांची बेरीज करताना छेद समान करतो. हो ना. मग हे जे छेद आपण समान करतो, छेद समान करण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं, लसावी काढावा लागतो. रिमेंबर, टू मेक द डिनॉमिनेटर सेम we have to find out the LCM of the denominators. So given the fractions 13/45 and 22/75. So here we have to consider only the numbers 45 and 75, means we have to equalize the denominator. So by listing method, multiples of 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270, etc. Here 45 ones are 45, 45 twos are 90. Next 45 threes are. By multiplying you can find out. Okay. Next 45 fours are. 45 fives are. Likewise you will get the multiples of 45. Okay. Next multiples of 75. 75, 150, 225, 300, etc. Right? Now, common multiples of 45 are, which one is 225 and 225. So the common multiple of 45 and 75 is 225, and therefore LCM of 45 and 75 is 225. ओके. कळलं एवढं. काय केलं आपण, छेद समान केले. We have done denominators same. Now LCM of 45 and 75 is 225. So to make denominator of 13/45 to 225, what we have to do, equivalent, find out the equivalent fraction. Okay. Now here to make the denominator 225, we have to multiply by a certain number. Okay. So 45, see here, 1, 45 twos are 90, 45 threes are 135, 45 fours are 180, 45 fives are 225. Means we have, when we multiply 45 by 5, we will get 225. But when we multiply by a number to a denominator, we have to multiply by the same number to the numerator also. ज्या संख्येने आपण छेदाला गुणतो त्याच संख्येने आपल्याला अंशालाही गुणावं लागणार आहे. Therefore, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. So 13 into 5 upon 45 into 5. So 13 5s are 65 upon 45 into 5 is 225. So the equivalent fraction of 13/45 is 65 upon 225. 13/45 चा समच्छेद अपूर्णांक काय मिळाला आपल्याला, 65/225. Now, equivalent fraction of 22 upon 75. Again, 75 1 जा 75, 75 2 जा 150, 75 3 जा 225. Means we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3. Okay. So 22 into 3 upon 75 into 3, which will give us 66 upon 225. So this is also a same 225. This is the equivalent fraction of 22 by 75. Okay. आपण हे समच्छेद अपूर्णांक काढले. Now next, add the fraction. Dear students, remember when we have to add the fractions, their denominators should be same. Okay. Now 13 upon 45 plus 22 upon 75. What we have to do? Equalize the denominator. So 13 into 5 upon 45 into 5, that is equivalent fraction we have to find out. Just now we have find out it is 65 upon 225 plus 66 upon 225. Now denominator is same. We can write down only once 225 and 65 plus 66 upon 225. So add the numerator 65 plus 65. It will give us 131 upon 225. आपण काय केलं? छेदामध्ये 225 आपल्याला सेम छेद मिळाला. एकदाच लिहून घ्यायचा. अंशांची बेरीज आणि ही बेरीज किती आली? 131 upon 225. This is the answer. Okay. So in this way we can solve the word problems of LCM. Okay. So dear students, how to find out LCM by listing method? We have, with the help of some sums and some word problems, we solve these sums. Try to solve as many problems as you can and do some more practice to get use of it. Okay. तर जास्तीत जास्त सराव करा. तर BMC VTC मराठी या चॅनेलला लॉग इन करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि नवीन आलेल्या व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळविण्यासाठी बेल आयकॉनलाही क्लिक करा. थँक यू.
तर आजचा घटक आवडला ना? अशीच माहिती मिळवण्यासाठी या चॅनेलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि हे व्हिडिओ पुन्हा पुन्हा पहा. पुन्हा भेटणार आहोत पुढच्या भागात. थँक यू.